success of immersive concerts, where listening to music is augmented by other media such as text, lighting, images, etc., depends on coordinating the music precisely with the multimedia used. We will show a demo of a computational system we have created to automate this coordination. This system follows musical scores in real time and automatically triggers multimedia events that have been annotated on the musical score. This system can replace or greatly reduce the workload of conductors and operators, thereby making immersive events easier to schedule and to present, as well as more affordable for small ensembles.